Hello and good day to you. Today's animated video of our greeting card fold series is the twisted triangular gatefold card. Materials needed: cardstock, A4, 250 grams to 300 grams, cream, scoreboard, scoring tool, glue, scissors or paper trimmer, patterned paper in A4 100 grams, plain paper in A4 100 grams in cream and gray, printed embellishment floral spray. Instructions. Step 1. On the scoreboard, place the cream cardstock in a landscape orientation. Step 2. Using the scoring tool, score the 300 grams cardstock on the 10 centimeter or 3.7 by 8 inch. The first panel is made. Step 3. Rotate the card from right to left and score on 10 centimeter or 3.7 by 8 inch. 3 panels made. First panel is 10 centimeter. Step 4. On the first flap, score a diagonal line from the top right to the bottom left. Step 5. On the third flap, score diagonal from the top right to the bottom left. Step 6. Fold the score line inward to create the twisted triangular gatefold card mechanism. Fold the score lines and burnish. To decorate. Step 7. Place the patterned card in a landscape orientation on the scoreboard. Using the scoring tool, score the 100 grams cardstock on the 10 centimeter or 3.7 by 8 inch, then trim 0.5 centimeter borders from the cardstock. Step 8. On the first flap, score diagonally from the top right to the bottom left. Do not score the second and third flaps diagonally, and then cut the diagonally scored lines to create 2 triangles. Step 9. Glue the patterned card triangles to match the top left and the bottom right triangular flaps. Step 10. Cut triangle from the patterned 100 gram card and glue to the middle panel. Step 11. Place the gray card in a landscape orientation on the scoreboard. Using the scoring tool, score the 100 grams cardstock on the 10 centimeter or 3.7 by 8 inch, then trim 0.5 centimeter borders from the cardstock. Step 12. On the first flap, score diagonally from the top right to the bottom left. Do not score the second and third flaps diagonally, and then cut the diagonally scored lines to create 2 triangles. Step 13. Cut the rectangle from the cream 100 gram card to fit the center or middle panel of the card. The rectangle should be 0.5 centimeter in border, smaller than the patterned card. Glue it to the patterned card in the middle panel. Step 14. Cut out ellipse shape from the 100 gram cream, gray and patterned card. Each ellipse should be 0.5 centimeter smaller than the other. Largest is patterned, larger gray, large or smallest is cream. Step 15. Glue the ellipse shapes together, starting from the largest and ending with the smallest. The smallest should be on top. Step 16. Cut out the floral spray motif, embellishment, or design and then glue the floral spray to the ellipse topper. Step 17. Place the glue on the front of the lower part of the upper triangular flap and then place the decorated ellipse on the triangular flap over the glue. Note that the glue does not smear on the other part of the flaps. Thank you for joining us today for this animated twisted triangular gatefold greeting card of our animated greeting card fold series. Until next time, bye for now. Remember, you are the designer. Thank you.